Are you a housing association tenant? Because if so, we've got an event for you on Thursday. This is a free online event on Thursday morning, and it's looking at how housing associations work, how rent is calculated, and where they spend their money and why. So we've got three great speakers for it, but it's not an ordinary session. We want to go much further. We want to tackle those questions and myths and comments and things that you ask us a lot. So things like, where do the landlord surpluses go every year that they make, this money they make? How much of my rent goes to build new homes? Do I pay a new home tax on my rent? Something tenants ask us a lot. And why do you build new homes when you've got existing repairs to do? And so these sort of questions around their finance, how their banking works, their banking covenants. So if they're a not-for-profit, why do they need to make so much surplus every year? And there's complications to do with interest rate cover and things like this. But if you think this is interesting, come along this Thursday. It's 10 to 11:15. It's free for tenants, and there's a small charge for staff and for board members. So, diolch yn fawr. Hopefully see you Thursday.